Hi, it's Lucas from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to silence group texts on your iPhone. As you probably know, the group chats might get really annoying at times, so let's just turn them off right now. First of all, open up the Messages app on your iPhone and find the group conversation you want to silence. Once you're inside the chat, tap the group name at the top, somewhere in the middle of the screen. This will take you to the details page. From here, scroll down until you see the option to hide alerts. Simply turn that switch on and you're all good to go. If you see a little bell icon instead, which might actually happen, you can tap on that to achieve the same thing basically. There's also another way to do this if you're in the main messages list. Instead of opening the conversation, you might as well just swipe left on the group chat. You'll see an options button, tap that, and then choose hide alerts. It's a quick and really easy way to silence those notifications without even going into the chat. And that's pretty much it from me. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tips like this. See you later.